The year is 2023, the month March. France is in a state of turmoil. Protests against President Emmanuel Macron's pension reforms have been raging for 10 consecutive days. A staggering 740,000 protesters are participating in 240 rallies across the country. The General Confederation of Labour estimates that nearly 500,000 protesters have gathered in Paris alone. Disruptions are widespread. Smoke bombs at Biarritz Airport. Protesters walking on train tracks at Paris's Gare de Lyon railway station. The country is in a state of chaos. The strikes have even forced the postponement of King Charles III and the Queen Consort's state visit to France. Despite the uproar, the government has pushed forward with the pension reform bill, bypassing the need for a vote. Union leaders are calling for a halt to the reform and demanding dialogue with the government. As the protests grow more violent, with acts of vandalism and arson reported, French authorities have deployed 13,000 police officers across the country to handle the situation. Fast forward to June of 2021, we're shifting our attention to the east. On the 32nd anniversary of the Tiananmen Square protests, Microsoft has accidentally blocked images and videos of the iconic Tank Man protester on its search engine, Bing. The removal was attributed to human error, and the images reappeared outside of China the following day. This is not the first instance of Tiananmen Square information being blocked outside of China by a foreign company. Tensions between the US and China have escalated over China's alleged surveillance of American companies, leading President Biden to expand a ban on American investment in Chinese firms linked to China's military. In summary, our journey through time has taken us through the streets of France, filled with protesters fighting against pension reforms. We've witnessed the resilience of the French people and the determination of their government. Then we traveled to China, where the specter of Tiananmen Square still looms large, and the struggle for control over information continues to play out on the global stage. These are the moments that define